Welcome to Stop Ruining Food. If your food keeps coming out dry, soggy, burnt, or bland, you're in the right place. Here, we break down simple cooking mistakes and show you how to fix them fast. If this helps you, subscribe to the channel and share it with your family or friends who keep ruining food too. Let's stop ruining food together. Before we start, honestly, thank you for being here. If you enjoy learning simple things that actually make your food better, subscribe and share this with someone who needs it.
And today, we're talking about chicken, because no matter what I do, chicken hates me.
Chicken doesn't hate you, you're just scaring it.
Last week, I cooked chicken for guests. I was confident, I followed a recipe.
Hee.
Everyone smiled, but nobody went back for seconds.
That silence tells you everything.
Exactly. Dry, not burnt, just sad.
That's the most common chicken problem in the world.
I think I'm afraid of undercooking chicken,
That fear ruins more meals than bad recipe.
so I keep cooking it longer
And longer,
and longer.
until all the juice leaves and never comes back.
I always heard high heat locks in the juices.
That's one of the biggest cooking myths ever.
So what does high heat actually do?
It panics the meat.
Panics it?
The moisture tries to escape, and it succeeds
So I've been drying it on purpose.
without realizing.
Why does chicken dry out faster than beef?
Because chicken has very little fat. Fat protects food.
Right.
Chicken doesn't have much protection.
So it's sensitive.
Very. Chicken needs patience, not power.
I flip it a lot.
That's another problem.
I just want it even.
Every flip releases moisture. Every cut releases moisture.
I cut it to check.
That's panic cooking.
Okay, if someone is listening right now, what's the fix?
Medium heat. Let the pan warm up.
Okay.
Put the chicken down and leave it alone.
That sounds too simple.
Simple works,
You keep saying let it rest.
because chicken keeps cooking after heat.
So cutting it early is like opening a soda too fast.
Perfect example. All the juice escapes.
So eggs were ruined by impatience.
And chicken is ruined by fear.
That's kind of deep for food.
Cooking is emotional. People rush, panic, and overcorrect.
Let me repeat this so I don't forget. Medium heat, don't rush, don't cut early, let it rest. So we've established that I'm a panic cook. How do I introduce patience into my cooking? What's the first step?
If you do just that, your chicken will improve immediately. The first step is to change your mindset. Don't think of cooking as a race against time. Think of it as a process. It's about transformation, not just heat application. Before you even turn on the stove, take a deep breath. Acknowledge that you're about to prepare a meal, and that takes time and care. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone you cook with.
And don't just watch this, walk with this information into your kitchen and use it.
Next episode, why rice turns mushy.